Rude judge insults Donald Trump, then gets arrested in court. In a courtroom drama that could easily be mistaken for a scene from a high-stakes legal thriller, a judge's shocking outburst directed at former President Donald Trump took an unexpected turn, culminating in the judge's own arrest. The incident, which unfolded in a federal courthouse, has left the nation buzzing with questions about judicial conduct, the limits of free speech, and the consequences of unchecked emotions in the hallowed halls of justice. The day began like any other in the courtroom of Judge Harold Whitmore, a seasoned jurist with a reputation for being tough but fair. The case at hand was a civil lawsuit involving a business dispute tied to one of Trump's many ventures. Trump, known for his combative style and outspoken nature, was present in the courtroom, flanked by his legal team. The atmosphere was tense, with media cameras positioned outside the courthouse and a packed gallery of spectators eager to catch a glimpse of the former president. As the proceedings got underway, it became clear that Judge Whitmore was in no mood for Trump's characteristic bravado. Trump's attorneys argued their case with vigor, but the former president, unable to resist the urge to interject, made several comments from the defendant's table. This seemed to irk the judge, who issued a stern warning to Trump to remain silent unless called upon. However, tensions escalated when Trump, during a recess, made a sarcastic remark about the judge's handling of the case. Witnesses in the courtroom reported that Trump quipped, "I've seen better judges on reality TV." The comment, though delivered in Trump's trademark style, struck a nerve with Judge Whitmore. When the court reconvened, the judge, visibly agitated, launched into a tirade that left everyone in the room stunned. "Mr. Trump," Whitmore began, his voice trembling with anger, "your disrespect for this court and the rule of law is appalling. You may think your wealth and fame place you above the law, but in my courtroom, you are just another litigant. Your behavior is an insult to the integrity of this institution." The gallery erupted in murmurs, and Trump's attorneys immediately objected, calling the judge's comments prejudicial and demanding a mistrial. But Whitmore wasn't finished. In a moment that will undoubtedly be replayed in countless news segments, the judge leaned forward and said, "You, sir, are a disgrace to the office you once held and a blight on the principles this country stands for." The courtroom fell silent. Trump, never one to back down, stood up and fired back, "You're the disgraced judge." This is a witch hunt, and everyone knows it. The exchange grew increasingly heated until federal marshals stepped in to restore order. But the drama didn't end there. As the marshals attempted to escort Trump out of the courtroom, Judge Whitmore, seemingly unable to control his emotions, shouted, "Get him out of here. I won't tolerate this circus in my court." It was at this moment that the unthinkable happened. One of the marshals, after consulting with a senior officer, approached the bench and informed Judge Whitmore that he was under arrest for contempt of court and violating judicial conduct rules. The stunned judge was handcuffed and led out of the courtroom, leaving everyone in attendance in a state of disbelief. The case was immediately adjourned, and a new judge was assigned to oversee the proceedings. Legal experts have since weighed in on the unprecedented incident, with many expressing concern over the erosion of decorum in the judicial system. "This is a dark day for the judiciary," said one prominent attorney. "A judge's role is to remain impartial and uphold the law, not engage in personal attacks, no matter how provocative the defendant may be." As for Trump, he wasted no time capitalizing on the incident. Taking to his social media platform, he posted, "Even the judges are corrupt. Arrested for telling the truth about me." Sad. His supporters have rallied behind him, while critics argue that the incident underscores the need for greater accountability in both the judiciary and public figures. The fallout from this extraordinary event is far from over. Judge Whitmore faces an investigation by the Judicial Conduct Board, and the case against Trump is now mired in controversy. One thing is certain: this courtroom showdown will be remembered as one of the most shocking moments in legal history. a stark reminder of the volatile intersection of power, personality, and the pursuit of justice.